So here's an easy way to make a backdrop leg using one 2x4 and a bracket. This specific bracket is 20 by 13 inches. Check it out. First things first, I'm gonna measure 24 inches and make a line, cut it right there. It doesn't have to be perfect. Now it should look something like this. Right now this isn't drilled in. I'm gonna put 3 screws, 1, 2, 3, coming in from this side, going up into this. To secure it at first, you may want to do pilot hole drills or pilot holes, and then once you do that, I'll attach that. After I do that, I take my screws. These are about 2.5 inches. There you go. Check it out. 3 holes. Boom. Next, I'm gonna take my bracket. Now with this bracket, I'm gonna put it right here, lean it up against. If you have clamps, that works well. And then Home Depot sells these that go with this. They usually look like this. I usually like to make a little hole right here. Not too deep in, but that way the screw goes in fine. Now I'm just gonna drill in my screws. All right, nice and slow. And just like that, check it out. That took me 10 minutes. So there's your leg. Perfect and ready for install. Check it out. Got my 2-foot leg. Got my ripple wall. Look, super light. One time. And not because I'm Mr. Freaking incredible, but it's just that light. I put my foot here to hold it in place, the leg. Or you guys might help me. And just slide this sucker in. Learned this from my buddy Matt, working with Matt. He said, stop comparing yourself. And I don't know who he got that from, but rightfully so, right? If I compare myself to everybody else, I'll think these little things here that you see are imperfect. But since I'm not comparing myself, and I just look at it from afar, you don't even see those imperfections. The only one who really sees them is the person who made them and the person who wants to be a nitpicky son of a